When you first plug in the Tent X, you will land on the homepage. This is where the sensor data for the Grow Tent is displayed. Press the left and right arrows to switch between the climate parameter data, the nutrients and grow medium monitoring data, the device status page, and the alarm notification page. Each page provides specific information about the Tent X. Climate parameters data. Using the MBSTH and other environmental sensors, you are able to continuously monitor the data collected by these sensors. You can see the light level, temperature, humidity, and CO2 ppm readings. The optional CO2 and PAR light sensors must also be installed to monitor the light and CO2 levels. Nutrients and medium data. With the use of the MP3, you can connect sensors to continuously monitor the nutrients and grow medium status. Next, if you press enter when you're on the homepage, that will take you further into the settings where you will then see 5 blocks that contain all of the user setpoints for the controller. It is these user setpoints that you will set to determine how your Grow Tent will operate. The metabolic processes of plants vary during the day and at night, so different climate settings should be applied accordingly. Tent X allows you to do just that. Set the day and night climate settings separately by simply pressing enter on the day and night climate setting block. You will then enter the page where you can set the temperature, humidity, and CO2 in the Grow Tent for both day and night times. Use the arrow buttons on the controller to navigate this page and press enter if you like to change the value for a climate parameter. Use the up and down arrows to set the values and press enter again to confirm. Once you have set your temperature, humidity, and CO2 setpoints, the devices you have connected to the Tent X will automatically regulate their respective parameters, making automation simple and effective. Now let's talk about the device settings.